is the Chinese cooking channel called Chinese Cooking Channel.
Today we have a recipe for chicken noodle soup, Chinese style. We're going to use the Shanxi style noodles, and then we're going to make it simply with some cilantro and chicken stock. So let's get started. This is a simple recipe for chicken noodle soup, Chinese style. We have 3 to 4 ounces of cooked chicken. We have 1.5 cups of cilantro or Chinese parsley, and 1.5 cups of Chinese noodles. So we have the Shanxi noodles, but you can use any kind of noodles that you like. We've got some water boiling, so we've got some pork bones and chicken bones. Add a couple pieces of ginger and boil the soup stock for about an hour. Just cover it with a lid and boil at low to medium heat. The soup has been going for about an hour, so just add about a teaspoon to a tablespoon of salt. The soup stock can be made ahead of time. I've got some water boiling for the noodles, so just take off the lid and then put about a teaspoon of salt. Salt will help prevent the noodles from sticking together. So, like I said, these are the Shanxi style noodles. So I'm going to put some noodles in the water here. These noodles don't come with instructions on how long to boil them. So I'm just going to keep an eye on it. And then I'll just sample the texture. So when it reaches the right texture that I like, I'm going to take them off. So when I visit Xi'an in China, they serve this kind of noodles. I think the noodles are a little more dense compared to the noodles I'm used to eating. For these noodles, I think about 5 to 7 minutes should do it, depending how firm you like the noodles. So just run the noodles through in the cold water just to get rid of the starches and to stop the cooking. So I have enough noodles here to make about 3 orders. So we have the broth boiling right now. So as you can see, the ginger and the garlic and the green onions we leave in the broth. So now I'm going to add the noodles in. So we got 1.5 cups of the Shanxi noodles. I'm going to put the cooked chicken in. So about 3 or 4 ounces of cooked chicken from yesterday's dinner for the chicken. And then I have about 1.5 cups of cilantro or Chinese parsley. So cilantro cooks real fast, so even a minute it's already cooked. Final touch, just add some sesame oil in there. There you have it, chicken noodle soup, Chinese style. Enjoy. The Chinese cooking channel called Chinese Cooking Channel has been awarded one of the top 20 Chinese food blogs and websites in the world. Thanks for checking out my video. For more videos, you can click here or here, and please subscribe by clicking the button over here.